can help the people that have never made it rain by showing them exactly how to make it rain with deep passion and conviction, okay? You guys are going to be group number 1. This, all the way in the back, and all of you in here. When I give you this sign, I want you all to do this. Ho, 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 ho. You didn't get the sign. Okay? Are you doing it? I need you happy. Guys, this is not show and tell. Okay. All of you in the back, the rest of you at the tables are going to be group number 2. When I give you this sign, I want you to do this. Not yet 2, not yet 2, not yet. Ready? With deep passion and conviction. Nice, 2, nice. Okay, you're good. Okay? Group 3, you're going to be right here, on up. When you get this sign. When you get this sign, you're going to do this. When you get the sign. All you got, right? Good. Okay, you guys are going to be group number 4, and when I give you this sign, you're going to do this. Stop your feet on the ground. Give it all you got, Thor. Good. Okay. This is a great room to make it rain in. It's even better than the tent. This is going to be magical. Let's actually make it rain. We're going to bring a storm in, and then we're going to have the storm leave. Okay? Ready?